Getting antsy. I'm getting real antsy about moving. Good morning. I just finished getting ready. I like to do my makeup down here on the floor. I just find it so comfortable to sit at the coffee table and do it. I have a bit of an update, I guess. Getting antsy. I'm getting real antsy about moving and wanting to have my own place again. I've been online searching home decor, just all that really great stuff, and I can't wait to move into my own place. I actually submitted some more documentation for my visa this morning, so that feels on track. I still stand by the fact that it is the most boring goal to have because it's just paperwork and just like non-fun stuff, but I feel like I'm making a little bit of progress. I'm actually getting really excited to go back to Australia. I have a few weeks left, and by few, I mean a little more than a few, but it feels like a very short amount of time and I'm really excited. I can't wait to go back and see my family. I was talking to them yesterday, so I'm really excited about that. But I just want to move, and this whole moving process is going to be really long. It's not what I'm used to. I'm used to just like packing everything up and moving into a place and everything's really fast, but this is slow and it's annoying me because I'm impatient and I just want it to happen now. So today I am actually going to go to Canadian Tire and get some more storage tubs for my storage locker. I made the decision that I need some more storage because I was a little bit rushed when I packed everything up in November, and I've taken some stuff out of my locker. In fact, I've taken far too much out of my storage locker, and I want to organize it all. So I'm going to get some more tubs today and start packing up some of the stuff that I have here because I want to feel like I'm moving towards my goal. I want to feel like I'm doing something. And honestly, if I pack it up now, it just saves me having to do it later and in a few weeks. So that's what I'm going to do today. Oh, and I have a new project. I'm so excited, I have to show you. This is my new little art station. I brought the lamp out from the wall and put it next to the desk so that I can do this at nighttime. But I have a new paint by numbers. I'm so excited about it. This poor little mug here has become my water dish, and these are all of the colors. I got this one off Amazon. I did put a poll on Instagram and my channel page asking which one I should get. I went with the really green artwork. This is a little red canoe here. This is water down here, and then the rest of it is basically just greenery, and I'm really excited for it. The apple one, no one voted for, but I really like it, and I'm gonna get that one next for fall kind of thing, even though I'm going back to Australia in September, whatever. I wanna do the apple one next. I made a bit of a mistake yesterday and accidentally brushed my hand across the green, and I now need to touch up this black and brown that's there, but I love a paint by numbers. It just makes me so happy. You know what? I still have coffee to drink. I just touched it up with the last little bit left in the French press thing. I'm gonna sit down and do a little bit. I just stop sometimes during the day and I'll just paint for maybe 10-15 minutes, and it is so relaxing. I've learned a very valuable lesson in the last couple of days that when I'm feeling really off, and I think I've talked about this in a couple of videos, that just for the last couple of months I've just felt really disorganized and just, I don't know, a little off. Having a creative project is an absolute essential. Within a day of having this, I just felt far more balanced and I had more motivation to get up and do the boring things on my to-do list. So I am really happy that I got this. I got this off Amazon. I like to get the ones that actually have the wooden frame already. You can get them without the frame. I prefer the frame. This is my 4th paint by numbers in 2 years. I started 2 years ago, and it is just one of my favorite activities because it's creative, but you don't have to really think too much because everything's already all laid out for you. I'm pretty sure I took the last 3 back to my mom's and was like, here, have some of my artwork. So I'm probably gonna do that with this one. I'll take it home with me when I go back in September, but I will just keep getting them because they're just so relaxing and so fun. A little tip though, I do dip my paintbrush in water first and put a few droplets into the paint and mix it around to make it just a little more runny. And then the key is to not be super precise. Like the shapes are kind of really intricate and a little bit detailed, I kind of just blob everything on roughly in that shape. And once you blob everything on together, it all just comes together in the end. So that's how I like to do it. I'm gonna sit here and finish my coffee and do this for a little bit, but I am so happy that I bought this and I'm back into it because I need to have a creative outlet. If you ever find me in my videos not talking about some kind of creative outlet, please come and tell me and remind me to buy something or to pick up some sort of creative thing because I need it. Please keep me accountable. I need it. So I'm gonna drink my little coffee and do my little painting and just start the day in the right way. I don't know if you can tell that it's not super neat or anything and it's all just kind of blobbed on. Also with the sides, what I like to do, wherever the color or like the number that is along the edge, I just bring the color the whole way down and it kind of creates a cool pattern. It ends up just being stripy all the way down the side. That's the way that I like to do it. You could just color it a plain color if you wanted to, but that's my thing and I enjoy it. Anyways, I'm gonna not leave the brush in the water. I feel like it's bad to do that. Clean it off and not leave the brush in the water, but I'm gonna go and get a jump start on going to Canadian Tire because I want these storage boxes. This is my outfit for the day. I have my striped top from Dynamite. I have my black flowy pants from Forever New, and then I have my white slides from Nordstrom. I just covered myself in a bunch of sunscreen because it's really sunny out there and I am gonna go for a bit of a walk. So let's go and get this storage and then I can start packing things away. Okay, I have made it to the storage tub aisle and I think, oh no, right behind this ladder are the ones that I want. I wonder if I can move this ladder or if I should do the right thing and go and ask someone to move it for me. These ones here at the back are the ones that I want. I think I want the deep tub and I think I'm gonna get 3 of them. And then I think I also wanna get one of these ones or one of these ones. This one down here is giant, but I think I want one of these to put some, like a bigger one to put some extra things in. But for now, I want 3 of these ones. I have 3 tubs and 3 lids. Do you know, I probably don't really need 3, but I'm just gonna go with it because I'd rather have more than less. And it would be much easier because some of the other bins are actually kind of overflowing right now and I just think it would be better to have 3. Okay, I got the tubs. I'm really happy about it. I'm really excited. I feel like I'm one step closer. I will probably use the phrase one step closer so many times in the next couple of months because every little piece I do, I feel like I am one step closer to achieving my goals and my dreams, and I'm really excited about it. So I'm feeling very organized. I also picked up a bag of strawberry flavored marshmallow things. Did I need these? Absolutely not, but I'm hungry and that's why I got them, which means I need to make myself some lunch. My camera wasn't recording while I was doing most of my lunch. I have an English muffin that I put in the toaster with avocado, tomato, goat's cheese, everything but the bagel seasoning, and some salt and pepper. I am starving, so I'm gonna eat this and then start organizing. Okay, now I finally get to start organizing things. I have a bit of a weird plan though, right? I have the tubs here, but I'm not going to fill them and have them fully packed up before I go to the storage locker because then I have to take 3 separate tubs that are all heavy to my storage lockers. I will take them as is over there, but before I do that, I am going to at least have everything that I want to pack away all sorted and put into them so that I can check for sizing and whatnot. And then I will put all the things that I want to take maybe into a suitcase so that it's easy to take there. And then I can take these when they're not full and not heavy. The only problem I have right now is trying to get them apart. They're so stuck together. Couldn't remember if these stickers were easy to remove or not. They're not. They're so hard to remove and I don't want to have to deal with it, so I'm probably just gonna leave them on because I can't be bothered to take them off. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my wardrobe. I am going to put things away that I know that I really won't need in the next month and a half until I go back to Australia. Things that I won't need in Australia, probably honestly won't need until maybe even next year. Most of these like summer floral dresses I might not need. Not really, they're quite special occasions. So I'm just going to start figuring out what's gonna go in the boxes and what I'm gonna keep. I'm excited now because I have some free coat hangers. I ran out of space pretty quickly after the last video I did where I brought stuff out of my storage locker and started hanging things up. So I've been doubling things up again. It'll be nice to put some of this back because I don't really know why I pulled so much stuff out of my storage locker that I obviously was not gonna wear. I mean, I thought maybe I might have worn some of these bright summery tops, but I just haven't, and I really doubt I'll be wearing them at any point in the next few weeks. So I think it's time to just box it all back up. Thankfully, now that I have the tubs, there's so much more space and I don't have to worry about squishing everything in. So am I making any sense? Because I don't feel like I'm making any sense in my brain right now. Like, it's not working, it's not working. Yeah, I don't know what I just said. So anyways, I'm gonna keep going. So far, I've got the stuff that I probably will not be wearing anytime in the next 6 months. I have one coat, or it's like a trench coat, I guess. Definitely don't see myself wearing that in the next 6 months. I have actually my favorite dress, and I have it in here just because I'm undecided. Up here, I have a bunch of stuff that I'm undecided, and on this side, I have 2 items that are my favorite right now. It's my Sloane pants from Abercrombie, and then my dress from Revolve that I love. There's a few other pieces still in the cupboard, so I'm gonna go and get them and try and figure out maybe more what it is that I love and I wanna take with me in the next few months, opposed to trying to figure out this stuff. I'm not quite there yet. It probably looks like I have made no progress, but this stuff over here includes all the things that I really love. Like, this is my dress for the wedding and just a few nice summer dresses. However, I will probably end up putting these summer dresses into storage because I may not need them. Actually, I don't know. Actually, that's like a undecided because I'm going at a really weird time, right? It's gonna be the end of summer here and start of spring in Australia. And so the weather's just gonna be really weird to pack for. This section I'm undecided on, and then the same as before, this section is definitely going to go into storage. I have plenty of room, which is making me very happy. I'm not going to finish it off right now. I don't think I need to finish it off right now, so I'm going to call it there because I don't want to force myself to do it and then, I don't know, pack away the wrong things or whatnot. You know, I want to make sure I'm making the right choice here because I've spent so long traveling. I definitely want to learn from my mistakes from last year. I may have sat down before and done a little bit more painting. I just like to sit down and take 5 minutes to do a little bit more. I am gonna put this off to the side though because I actually have a bit of admin emails and stuff I need to do. Okay, that's done. Do you like my new phone case? My old phone case was just really gross. You know how clear phone cases just get really yellow and gross after a while? And I was just wanting to find one really easily, so I went to Winners and I picked it up and it's just really cute. It's got a little cactus on the back. So anyway, that's my little phone update if anyone was interested. I just think it's cute. Last night I made a bit of a mess. I did my nails last night, but I didn't quite finish them. I went with this, I keep calling this unicorn glitter, but I'm pretty sure it's not. What is it? This one This one, which is purple, is called Unicorn Glitter. This one is called Opal Shimmer, and it's just a whitish color with some glitter through it. I get the dipped powders. It's an Australian brand. I really love them. I'll have a link in the description to all the products and stuff that I use for my nails, but I like doing them myself. The only thing that I didn't do was finish filing them down, and then I have to put the top coat on, and I just went a little thick with them this time. I think I did one too many layers, forgetting that they're more chunky because of the glitter. So I got over having to file them last night, and I really should finish it off now actually. It's a bit later. I have the hiccups. My nails are all done though. I think they look really, really good. I'm trying not to hiccup, but I am gonna go for an afternoon walk. I've been walking twice a day for the last week or so. I do, oh, stupid hiccups. I do about like an hour in the morning, very, very early, and then I come home. I come home, get on with my day, and then in the evening, when it's like quite late as it is now, I like to go for another walk. And it's really hard to talk when you have hiccups because I can anticipate them, and then it's like, is it coming? Is it gonna happen? Oh, there we go. I'm so over it. I'm gonna drink some water and I'm gonna go for an evening walk. It's much, much later. I've showered, got myself ready for bed, and I'm gonna sit down in complete silence and work on this dark blue patch here in the corner. I just wanna chill out and paint. This is exactly why I got this, so I can just end the day or start the day or at any other point in the day on a very, very chill note. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna end up going to bed. Okay, I've finished this corner. This one whole patch here is actually all connected. It doesn't look like I've done a lot, but it's all very, very intricate. I finished it off. I'm going to pack it up for the evening, I think. I was gonna start watching Gilmore Girls, but I think it might be a little too early in the season. But then again, who am I kidding? I'll probably start tomorrow. Anyway, I'm gonna pack it up for the evening. I hope you have a good day or night, wherever you are, and I will see you very soon.